think I accidentally girl bossed too hard. I can't believe I'm getting ready to go to a CoverGirl and Sally Hansen's blog party. They're even sending me a car. I have a ride there and a ride back. It's freaking Tuesday night. I'm sitting here getting ready for a blog party. Nautica is gonna be there. Please, the Lord of imposter syndrome, keep that shit away from me and let me thrive. The theme is floral and something bright. So I have this black dress. I'm putting flowers all over my hair. This is the easiest curly hairstyle. All you have to do is put your hair in a high ponytail. Put your scrunchie very loosely. You don't have to wrap it twice, just one time is enough. Leave some loose curls all the way around. And then I got my cute ass big clip. I'm gonna link it for you here. It's so cute, and I just lined it up right where the scrunchie is at. Then I got those tiny little flower clips, and I just put them everywhere. I love decorating my curls. It's like decorating a Christmas tree. You can just add ornaments everywhere and it makes it look so cool. Wearing my hair literally like a crown. Like a crown. Who is she? I like it. I like it. I look good. Oh, this is heavy. I know. What is going on? Walking in, I instantly knew this is going to be fun. They greeted you. Jamaica, horchata. They were hyping me up. They did my makeup. I asked for eyes, but she did it all. I even had people helping me record. Had me feeling myself like I've never felt before. I felt gorgeous. Look at that pink. So pretty. They had such talented artists. Oh, who is she? Thank you. Thank you so much. It was a Hispanic heritage celebration, and they pulled up all of the stops. They had desserts, dulce de leche. They had tacos. They even had a tattoo artist that was giving out real tattoos. They had a badass DJ. I could have eaten 10 of those, I forgot what they're called, and arepas. So delicious. Philosophy was there, and they were engraving your own perfume and sending you home with whatever perfume you wanted. I met this amazing, gorgeous lady. We got our sketches done. They were so accurate. I mean, look at that. Boom, that's me.
This is my crooked legs.
After I stuffed my face, that the dancing began. They had salsa dancers. They were so amazing, and they were teaching everyone how to do some salsa. We danced, we shook our booties. I'm just saying, I had one of the best nights ever, surrounded by the most beautiful ladies I've ever seen in my life. I've seen a literal goddess. I just feel so grateful that I got to do this opportunity. And right before I left, they gave us forever gold bracelets